Hello everyone, welcome to Sunya IAS. Guys, today in this video we are going to talk about Prelims Current Affairs notes for 2023. These notes are very famous amongst aspirants and they call them Sunya notes. Okay, you would have heard about them from fellow aspirants or your friends, I'm sure about it. But then a lot of questions are around these notes, that how many months current affairs are covered, how many pages, what all sources are covered in these notes, how important they are for our examination. So guys, I will give you all the information in this video. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we will understand the features of the program. Okay, what are the sources that are being covered? So when I talk about sources, okay, it is very important to understand that we are doing the exclusive coverage of the Hindu. Okay, this is one feature of this program which is very unique. No other current affairs notes will be doing a exclusive coverage of the Hindu. By this I mean that every news that pops up in the Hindu newspaper is scrutinized by our team, and important news relevant to UPSC are collated. We are also collating all the important news from PIB, the announcements regarding schemes or any other things. Apart from these two sources, if there is any news which is not covered in the Hindu or PIB but it is there in any other monthly magazine, we are also covering that thing. So this is like a one-stop solution for you. You don't have to read any other source. Now what we are doing is we are compiling all important information from all of these sources, deleting everything that is irrelevant from your exam point of view, and the compilation comes to around 40 pages per month. Okay, now why you should subscribe for these kind of notes? It is going to save you time, efforts, and help you revise more times, and hence prepare smartly. Usually aspirants, they try to make their notes from newspapers. It is a very time consuming process, guys, and it takes a lot of efforts. Plus, since you're wasting so much time, you won't have time to revise other subjects or revise your own notes also. And maybe it won't be as comprehensive as our team makes. So here, the benefit is, since you save time and effort, you will be able to do multiple revisions since you will have lot of time on hand. As I told you, exclusive coverage of the Hindu can be seen. I will quote some examples as we go ahead in the video. Now, what is the format? How are the notes provided? We are giving monthly compilations of these notes, and we also have a yearly compilation. So let us see, let's talk about both the components. So when I talk about monthly notes, they are provided as a source-wise compilation and a topic-wise compilation also. Okay, you will get both the formats if you subscribe. I will talk about it in the next slide with the example of index of both the sources, both the types of notes. Now, if I talk about a yearly compilation, the yearly compilation is called Samadhan. Okay. Now, the question which comes in everyone's mind is that if I'm subscribing to this program, how many months of current affairs is covered? Here we are covering 1.5 years of current affairs. So there are a lot of aspirants, guys, who want to prepare 1 year or who wants to prepare 1.5 years. There are two types. Okay. So for the ease of everyone's, preparation, what we have done is we have segregated our notes accordingly. So here you will get in this program current affairs compilation from January 2022 till May 2023. Okay, this is what you will get when you subscribe to Sunya IAS notes. Now, the January 2022 till 2020 April 2022 notes will be given as a PDF. You will be able to download it from our website. Okay. From May 2022 till January 2022, you will get this sort of a hard copy. A book will be delivered at your place. Okay, when will you receive this book? Somewhere around 15th of March 2023, you will be able to receive this book at your place and you can start revising. Okay, what are the contents of this book and all those things will be discussed in the next slide. And again, February to April will be given to you as a PDF which you can download from the website and read. So this is the Samadhan magazine. It is one of the most recommended source by toppers. and the most read magazine in the UPSC industry. Now, let us talk about the monthly notes. Remember, I told you there are going to be two forms of notes. Okay, so here is a small example. When you see here, this is a topic wise compilation. So, news from the entire month, whatever news are related to environment will be covered here. Schemes will be covered under one head. So, if you're preparing subject wise or topic wise, this is the format you should go for. Some aspirants, they don't prepare subject wise, but they just want to cover current affairs. So we have this source wise monthly current affairs notes, wherein the news from the Hindu, PIB, other monthly magazines will be given in different headers. Okay, so these are the two formats and you can follow any format. Once you subscribe, you will have access to both the formats. According to your ease and convenience, you can follow any of the formats. Now this is our Samadhan book. Now let us look at what happens in a yearly compilation. Okay, so when I say yearly compilation, what we will be doing is all the news from our monthly magazines will be collated and similar news will be kept together and repetitive news will be eliminated. Say for example, there are some species in news. Okay, so all the news about species, all the species will be collated together. It will really help you to revise things comprehensively and retention will also increase. Also, if there is some species which is new in news in the month of January and again in March it is in news, and it will be in both the monthly compilations. But in the yearly compilation, the similar news will be collated together, repetitive ones will be deleted. Also guys, you have to understand one thing, that exclusive coverage of Hindu ensures that whatever tricky questions or odd questions are asked by UPSC will be covered with us. Say for example, last year there were some questions about this uh, fungus called Gucci, right? There were some typical questions which were not covered in any other monthly magazines, but since we do the comprehensive coverage, exclusive coverage of the Hindu, all those things were found in our magazine. Now guys, in the link description of this video, there is a link which is attached, and this link will show you the hits from our magazine. There are around 30 plus questions which can be directly answered from our current affairs magazine. So you will be covering everything from a single source. You will be not wasting time and it will enhance your repeated revision and retention abilities. Okay. So now the question is, since these notes are so beneficial, you would be thinking how to subscribe to them. You have to go to our website sunyaias.in or .com. Okay, there is a notes tab there. Go to the notes tab, go to the prelims 2023 tab, and there will be a subscription link. If you don't want to go through the longer route, the subscription link is given in the description box of this video. So guys, thank you very much. Do subscribe to our channel.